Gentlemen, have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, something just feels off? The truth is, clothing can transform an ordinary guy into an attractive man, but it all depends on what you wear and how you wear it. Today, I'm breaking down the 8 fashion mistakes that might be making you look less than your best and showing you how to turn things around overnight. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to step up your style game. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Man Glow Up. If you've ever felt lost in the world of fashion, you're not alone. I used to make these mistakes myself until I realized how much of a difference a few tweaks could make. I know what it's like to buy the latest trends only to find they just don't work. So today, I'm sharing the essentials that every guy needs to avoid these common pitfalls and elevate their style instantly. And hey, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips to help you look your best every day. Now, let's jump into mistake number 1. Ignoring the details. The aura drainers, your outfit is only as strong as its weakest link. Think of your aura as how cool you look overall. So, here's a list of clothing items that are probably draining your aura. Dirty shoes, an open fly, holes in your clothes, skinny jeans that are too tight, shorts that ride above the knee, mixing Nike with Adidas, stained socks, and baggy clothes that don't fit right. I've been there myself. Bought a trendy pair of skinny jeans only to feel uncomfortable and awkward. The solution is simple. Ditch the pieces that don't work and start choosing items that fit you well and reflect your personality. Go through your wardrobe tonight and get rid of anything that has stains, holes, or just doesn't fit right. You'd be amazed at how much better you'll look by simply clearing out the dead weight. Fashion mistake number 2, wearing baggy pants. The wrong way, baggy pants can either look effortlessly cool or make you look sloppy. The key is understanding what true baggy pants are. If you're transitioning from skinny jeans to straight-cut pants, those aren't baggy, they're just a better fit. Real baggy pants should be about 3 to 5 centimeters wider than your legs. And here's a mistake I used to make: pairing baggy pants with a baggy shirt. It's all about balance. Try wearing a slim-fit top, like a well-fitted t-shirt or a tank top, to add structure to your look. I remember the first time I tried this, it was a game changer. When it comes to shoes, go for something chunkier to balance out the look of the pants. Lighter shoes will make your outfit look off. For example, try pairing your baggy pants with thicker sneakers or boots for that rugged appeal. Fashion mistake number 3, overdoing the all-black look. Yes, we've all heard that wearing all black is the quickest way to look stylish, but there's a right and a wrong way to do it. The common mistake? Throwing on a black t-shirt and skinny jeans and calling it a day. The secret is to mix textures. Swap that plain black t-shirt for a black sweater or textured shirt to add depth to your outfit. When wearing all black, always add a touch of jewelry to bring life into your look. Check your veins to see if they appear blue or greenish. If they're blue, go for silver jewelry. If they're greenish, opt for gold. A simple bracelet or chain can take your look from average to stylish. Fashion mistake number 4, not matching your socks to your outfit. This is one of the most overlooked aspects of a man's outfit. Matching your socks with your shoes and the overall outfit makes a big difference. Think about it. You wouldn't wear a black tie with a white shirt and tan pants, right? The same goes for socks. When you're wearing high-top sneakers, choose longer tube socks. For low-cut sneakers, go for ankle-length or no-show socks. The length and color need to align with the style of your shoes. Invest in neutral-colored, logo-free socks. They're versatile and won't clash with your footwear. Trust me, it's the small details that make the biggest impact. Fashion mistake number 5, not taking care of your clothes. Ever put on a killer outfit only to realize it looks off because of wrinkles or lint? Been there, done that? How you take care of your clothes is just as important as what you wear. First, learn to store your clothes properly. Hang up your t-shirts to avoid wrinkles and fold thicker items like sweaters to prevent shoulder bumps. Ditch the iron and get a steamer. Not only does it make your life easier, but it also keeps your clothes looking fresh and free of odors. I used to skip this step until I saw the difference it made. Now, I steam my clothes right before I leave, and I instantly feel more put together. Fashion mistake number 6, overlooking the power of footwear. You can have the perfect outfit, but if your shoes are off, it's game over. I used to have a friend who dressed well but always ruined it with mismatched or cheap-looking shoes. Remember, shoes set the foundation for your entire outfit. Choose quality over quantity. Avoid mixing brands like Nike and Adidas. It sends mixed signals. Instead, opt for versatile, high-quality pairs that can elevate your look without needing constant replacements. Brands like Thursday Boots offer shoes that last for years and go with almost anything in your wardrobe. Fashion mistake number 7, trying to buy style instead of building it. Buying expensive clothes won't automatically make you stylish. In fact, being on a budget can actually work to your advantage. When I started focusing on basic, timeless pieces, I realized I didn't need flashy brands to look good. Unique finds from thrift stores or garage sales add character to your wardrobe without breaking the bank. Invest in versatile, high-quality basics like a clean pair of white sneakers. Take care of them and they'll serve you for years. Fashion mistake number 8. Forgetting to reclaim your aura. Throughout this video, I've been talking about losing aura points through these common fashion mistakes. Now, let's talk about reclaiming those points. Want to look taller? Opt for boots with a slight heel. Need to add layers? Wear a crisp white t-shirt, shirt under a sweater. Small changes make a big difference. If you're feeling stuck, start simple. Add a minimal chain or bracelet to your outfit. It's a subtle yet effective way to up your style game. So there you have it, gentlemen. 8 mistakes that have been holding you back and how to fix them. Remember, it's not just about what you wear. It's about how you wear it and the care you put into each piece. With these tips, you'll go from looking average to turning heads in no time. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below. What's the biggest fashion mistake you've made and how did you fix it? Let's share our experiences and help each other out. And if you're looking for even more style tips, be sure to check out my other videos for more fashion inspiration. You won't want to miss it.